Hey knowledgeable, welcome to today's session. So today we will be talking about the BODMAS and the PEDMAS rules. So let's see what each of the letter of the BODMAS and the PEDMAS stands for. So in the BODMAS, B stands for bracket, O stands for order, D stands for division, M stands for the multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for the subtraction. In the same way, in the paired mass, the P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. And if you see, both are exactly the same. Is PEDMAS and the BODMAS rule are exactly the same. Just the name is different. So what BODMAS rule tells? So it tells that whenever you are solving an expression, so basically this is expression, then it should follow the BODMAS rule to be solved. It should not be like that you start from the left to right or right to left, but it should always follow the BODMAS rule. So what BODMAS rule tells? It tells that the order of the operation should be like this. Means first you solve the bracket, then you solve order, means like the exponents and the power, and then after that you solve the division, then after that you solve multiplication, after that you solve the addition, and then the subtraction. So let's apply a BODMAS rule to this expression. So this is the expression. Right now, using the BODMAS rule, we'll try to solve. So first the bracket has been solved, means 1 plus 4 has been added, and that gives you 5. After that, the division has been done because the division has the higher precedence than the multiplication or addition or subtraction. So 10 divided by 5, that is 2. After that, the multiplication has been done, means 5 into 2. After that, again the multiplication has been done, 8 into 10, and then the addition has been done. So the answer is 82. Now take another question, the another expression. Let's try to solve this one through the BODMAS rule. So here if you see, the bracket has been solved first, that is 10 divided by 5, that is 2. Then the next bracket had been solved, that is 2 plus 3 is 5. Then the division has been solved, that is 10 divided by 5. Then the multiplication has been done, that is 9 into 5. And then the subtraction has been done. So that gives you 41. So one tip for the student I want to give, that suppose this is the question, right? John has 6 pens, Malti has 3 pens. Each of the pen costs $10. What is the cost of both Malti's and John's pen? So basically, if you see, this is a very simple question, and basically first you will try to find how many pens they have. That is 6 plus 3, 9, and then multiplies by the cost, that is 10. So totally is $90, right? So while answering the question, the student should never write something like this, thinking that, oh no, 6 plus 3 would be added first and then multiplied by 10. Because if you see through the BODMAS rule, this is incorrect answer, because it will give you the value of 36, because the multiplication will happen first and then the addition. So this will be marked as wrong by the examiner. So the correct way of writing the answer is basically something like this, means 6 plus 3 you have to put in the parenthesis, telling that okay, this operation will happen first and then multiplication by 10, right? So giving you the right answer. So this is what I wanted to teach you in this session. So in the next session we will come up with some other topic. Thank you.